Okay, my friends, say listen, some of you have contacted me and you wanted me to go step by step on how to produce a video postcard. So here we go. Even though the videos within Social Media List Builder are very self-explanatory, I enjoy making these videos, so here we go. Right here is a picture. This is a video postcard right here. And basically the makeup of a video postcard is you're going to have either pictures or a video or some text or something over here, and then you'll have audio or something here. If you have just a video, then it has video and audio combined. If you have just an audio postcard, it will have an audio link like this right here.
Isn't it time you lived life fully?
Over here, and then it'll have pictures over there. And then obviously you got a message with a clickable link right there. Okay, so with that being the case, let's get to work and let's build one of these babies. Alright, the first thing we need to do, well, let me show you this. This is their postcard library back there. Audios. These are all the audios. Audios, real estate, and then there's some videos and virtual host. And if you don't know what a virtual host is, here, let me give you an example of a virtual host.
Hi. Are you tired of not getting what you really want from a business? As you can see, we use state-of-the-art technology to provide...
So as you can see, a virtual host is either going to be a man or a woman or somebody that's going to pop up and they're actually going to talk to you, okay? And then over on this side here are a list of the postcards that I have made, and when you join, you'll have a list over here too once you start making them that will be the ones that you've made. And so with that being said, we want to make a brand new one though, so we're going to come down here to number 3 to make a new postcard, create a title. Well, let's entitle it Rick Test 1 2 3 and click add. Okay, and now that we've done that, what we have right here is our basically this is our template, so to say, and this is where we're going to make the postcard. We're going to put a video in here that I've made already and put on YouTube, plus we're going to put a little text up here. Then we'll change this text over here a little bit and we'll make the link go to my blog. So the first thing we need to look at is the postcard settings menu over here on the left side. We see options, and if you go into options, that will allow you to copy this postcard. You can delete this postcard, you can send it, or you can view it. We'll push the arrow or the minus sign to close that box down. We can put an audio on there, we can change the border color, we could put a border color around there if we wanted. And then the main content, and that's the page we want to open up. That's the one we want because we need to come in here and edit this right in here. So we're going to click on edit. Now we come in here, and again, this is where we can put text in here, we can put a video in here, and we're going to do a little both so we can experience the fun. So here we go, let's highlight this right here. Please watch this video. And then let's just go ahead and make a few changes to it. Let's take and highlight it, and let's make it bold. Okay, let's change the color to it. Let's make it purple in color, should we? There we go. Let's make it purple. Let's underline it. Let's go ahead and make it size 14 point. There we go. And let's go ahead and make the font. Let's make it Tahoma. Okay, there we go. Cool. Now we look at it and it's done exactly what we've asked it to do. But now we want to put our exciting video on there, so we're going to come right up here to the video film strip piece and we're going to click on it. And that's going to open up a box that's going to ask us to paste the embedded code. Well, every video has an embedded code that's on YouTube. Here we go. Let's go find it. Here we are at YouTube. This is one of my videos on YouTube. I come down below the video and it has these toolbars right here, and there's an embed. When I click on the embed, it opens this up, which gives me the embed code that we're looking for, that we need to paste inside of that box. So it's blue in color and means it's all highlighted, so that means we can go ahead and right click our mouse and then left click on copy, and we've now copied the code. So now let's go back to the admin and let's go back to this box. We'll left click our mouse to get the icon, or excuse me, the cursor back in the box, and then I'm going to hit Control V as in Victor, Control V on my computer keyboard, and that will paste the embed code. Then with that being done, let's go ahead and click OK. And there's our video. Okay, so we have our text and we have our video. Now it's important at this point that we click Done Editing. And voila, there we go. On our postcard we have the little bit of text that we put on there, plus we have the video. And so with that we can go over here and we can close the main content. Now, the only other things that we want to change is, maybe we want to change just black background color, but we definitely want to change this over here in this link. So let's go to page color. Okay, so we use purple up here, so let's keep it consistent. Let's go over here and let's find this nice little purple color. Come in there and kind of a dark color purple. There we go. I like that. Now let's go ahead and close that out, and let's come down here to where it says text link, because that's the thing that we need to change next. We need to modify it, so we're going to click on modify. Now with this, the video I find always shows through, and I don't know why, but I can take and I can move this box up so it's out of the way. Okay, and so now that I have this up here, this text right here is what is showing right down here. So let's say, for example, just click here for more great training videos. Oops. And then down here we can take it so that it goes to one of our websites right here within Social Media List Builder, simply by scrolling down and finding whichever page that we would want it to go to here within Social Media List Builder. Or we can choose not to do that. We can choose to send it to an outside website, which is what I want to do. So we're going to send it to my blog. Okay, so we'll send it to whoisrickhamilton.com, and then we're done with that. We're done editing it. So here it is. Click here for more great training videos, and it will go to my blog when they click on it. Okay, and so with that being done, we can close that out now. We have to do one more thing or else we'll lose it, and that's come right up here to where it says click here to save the settings. Okay, so we click on that. There, now it's green and it means it's saved, plus it tells us here it's saved. We can get out of that box now, because that just tells us where it's going and everything like that. We'll click out of that. Now if we come in here to marketing and we go to promotional tools and virtual postcards, if we were to click on that, we would see that our Rick test 123 is there. Let's view it to make sure. And yes, it is. There it is. Okay, so we can now close that out. Let's go back to admin. Now we want to send it, right? We want to send it to people, so let's click the send button. And it's going to ask us, what do we want in the subject line? Well, you have a multimedia postcard waiting. Now, some people don't understand multimedia, so let's just go, you have a video postcard. Okay, and then use the domain in your autoresponder campaign. Well, you got different subdomains here and domains and things that you can use. Okay, but we're not going to do that. We don't want to mess with that. Basically, we got the freelistbuilder.com. That's our domain. That's what we're going to stick with. Now, to send this postcard using your own mail program, I could take and I could copy this text, and then I could paste it inside, like say Gmail, my Gmail account. I could just paste the code in there, and then it would go ahead when people receive it. They could click on that link and it would take them to my audio postcard. Well, let's just go to the next step. Okay, so here we are now. We're at the autoresponder campaigns, and this is where we're going to send this video postcard. The first thing it's saying, choose what campaign to send. Well, what we need to do is find our postcard, which was Rick Test 123, right? Well, here it is, postcard Rick Test 123. Okay, and there's one right there. We've got to find out which one it was. I think this one right here. This is the new one. Okay, so there's our postcard rig test 1, 2, 3. And now we want to include ourselves. If we want to get a copy of it, we include ourselves. And then here's a group of contacts that you can send it to. So you've got all of your autoresponder list in here that you've collected names and emails from. You can just check mark whichever ones you want to receive it. Or you could come down here, down below, and you could search by last name. You could search by first name. You could search by whatever to find a direct person that you wanted to send it to. Or you could go ahead and search by date. You can put in here a date, and then between them dates, anybody that's signed up to your autoresponder during those times will get the video postcard. And then even right down here is the last people that signed up into your autoresponder. You could send it to these people simply by clicking on who you want to get it. Okay, so it's that simple. So for an example, I'm just going to pick one here. I don't know, let me, right here we'll just go to clients and we'll pick on that one, and we'll just go ahead and then we just come down here to the bottom and we send the autoresponder campaign. Tells us here the postcard that we're sending, individual prospects right there, and there's the group right there, so forth, so on. So I have read and agreed to price this possibility spam. You don't want to spam anybody, so you have to agree to that and send a total of 2 emails. There you go, success. We have sent the video postcard. And my friends, that's it. That's all there is to making video postcards and sending them, okay? So if you have any questions, like always, give me a call, 515-230-6446, or you can email me at coachhamilton@gmail.com, or you can Skype me at Coach Ham. With that, have a super day.